Say something. We're at 3322 Hope Lake Road here in Brighton. We just jetted out his line, 4-inch cast iron from the septic tank. We don't have the counter really working right now because we're finagling into the septic tank, but the line's about approximately 21 feet into the septic tank. So to do our true measurement, we'll have to go downstairs and pull the Y off the wall.